It's your boy coming back with another video. If y'all ain't seen my previous videos, I just came back from Atlanta and my car needs an oil change, so I'm getting everything situated in the crib right now. About to head to Dodge. Dang. Tall people problems, bro. Look. But nah, I'm about to head to Dodge, get an oil change. Usually first come, first serve anyways. But I got my mask. Yeah, I think I got everything. I ain't got on no sneakers, bro. I ain't wearing no sneakers. I got on straight slides, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna get a cold start for y'all and head to Dodge, bro. Hopefully they can do the oil change with the bra on and my splitter. We gonna find out because I'm not taking that stuff off. But I don't think it should be an issue. But let me get this cold start for y'all real quick. I told you, bro. I got the slides, bro. Don't care, black, blue. Yeah, I'm matching somewhat. But let's go and get this cold start real quick. I'm finally in the car. I'm heading there right now. I don't know if I want to get breakfast now. I'm not really that hungry. Or just go to the Dodge dealership, get it taken care of, and then get breakfast after, because I know Shorty got to eat too. But if y'all haven't went back and seen the videos, bro, from this previous weekend in Atlanta, y'all missing out, bro. Definitely go check out those videos. But like, I haven't got an oil change in a minute, bro, and my car literally just hit 18,000 miles, I think, something like that. 18,162. And it's the 2019. I bought it like March, I want to say March of 2019. So yeah, she need an oil change. I think I'm at like 20% when I checked yesterday, but I usually don't let it get lower to that. But I'm definitely gonna head there, get an oil change, look at the cars that's around there. Let's see if they got some wide bodies, but Concord never has any wide bodies, bro. For whatever reason, bro, every time I try to go there, they never got wide bodies in stock. But I'm gonna see what they got on the lot, see what they got on the showroom floor, and go from there. But I'll definitely catch y'all whenever I pull up to the shop. That's with the windows up too, so I can give y'all one with the windows down. Just so y'all know, it is in eco mode. But it is mad cold outside, so I ain't really trying to be riding with the windows down today. Not this morning anyways. But let's see what they got at the dealership. So I just pulled up to the dealership. They took the car. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I'm just gonna sit here and wait. I'm actually walking out here to where they got the other Chargers at, so let's see what they got out here. Bro, I don't even see no cats out here, bro. Oh, I see. They got 2 Challengers, but all these are just, ain't really no cats, bro. And I definitely don't see no Chargers, bro. What's going on? This color's nice too. This is the color I wanted at first. definitely the color I wanted at first. 2020, base price 58. They want 75 for this one, bro. This is the red eye. They want 78 for the red eye. And 75 for just the Hellcat. Is that a 2020? Why? Are they tripping? I might as well go red eye then. What you mean? Which one y'all gonna take, bro? Hellcat or the red eye? Come on, bro. It's prices. They both got this, not even the same material. This got the leather. This got the little, like the suede type that I got in my car with the red seat belts. They got red seat belts as well. Come on, bro. That's a no-brainer. In my world, that's a no-brainer. I don't know about everybody else, but in my world, that's definitely a no-brainer. And they got the red brakes. Those are black. Come on, bro. Tripping. But these are only Hellcats I see. That Ram is nice. But, I mean, I don't see anything else that's really worth looking at. I might as well go back inside and go to sleep. This dude should be phony, boy. Mad phony. Yeah, just put it up in the air. It's good. The guy actually doing the oil change said everything looks good with the car, which, I mean, I kind of assumed it was going to because it only has 18,000 miles on it, but everything looks good. We should be finishing up pretty soon. I'm gonna walk over to the pre-owned lot. I see a couple of scats, but I'm about to turn it around, show y'all what we see right quick. We got a Maserati right here. I don't know nothing about these cars, though. It look decent, though. Looks like a little as is, no dealer warranty. 28,000 miles. Hellcat SRT. Looks pretty funny with the badges. Is that a red eye? Is that what hold on, bro. Is that what I'm seeing, bro? He made the first red eye. It's a 2018 red eye. They got a dealer warranty with it, so I just want the wheels, bro. 26,000 miles. It's pretty sweet though, with the red interior. And I know who car this was. Everybody in Charlotte, y'all know who car this was, bro. As is, no dealer warranty. But it is certified, so that's good. Base scat. Demon replicas. Powder coated to match the stripes. And then he got a price on there. But everybody already know they want like 42,000 for this car, bro. Needs paint corrected and all that. Got the honeycomb stripes on it, which that's dope. But that's all I'm pretty much seeing, bro. I don't see nothing else. Concord always been like mad light with the cars. But I'm gonna wait to get my car back and probably end this video because I'm gonna let y'all know what the price of the dealership oil changes are too, because I think they charge a little bit more. than normal people. And if you do it yourself, you can save a lot of money. But I'm definitely gonna show y'all the paperwork on that, because they usually run me like $80-something. And it might be a little bit more, especially with the scats. My RT was a little bit cheaper. But I'm definitely gonna give y'all the paperwork on that so y'all can see. But I'll give you that in a little bit. Oh boy, I like that. Red interior too. Oh shoot, I'm trying to stop cussing on my channel, bro, but that's hard. Is that trays? Bro, I dead think that's trays, bro. I think that's his, bro. I ain't gonna hold it. But let me go find my car. So he said 27, but I do have the paperwork on the oil change. He said it was $82, which I'm gonna show you the paperwork whenever I get back inside the car. I gotta find my car first. Found it. Get this cold start. I got a whole lot of addresses on here. Hold on, let me fold this paperwork so I can show y'all this paperwork. Hold on. All right, so I'm looking at this paper right now that he just gave me. After getting my oil change, I got a full synthetic oil change, and the filter was $6.50. I don't know what that is. And then I got 7 quarts, I'm assuming, of 0W40, which was $6.99 a piece, which brought it up to $48.93. Total parts was 53 or 55.43. My bad. And then I'm assuming it was $20 for the technician, and that brought my price up to $75.43. Out the door with tax, it was like $83 and some change. $83 I think it was. But I would show y'all this paper, but this paper has a whole lot of information on it, like my address and all types of stuff. And I'm not really trying to put that on the internet, but yeah, this is what it costs for the oil change, pretty much. Well, that's it for this video, bro. I had to get this done. It was a must. So make sure y'all like, make sure y'all comment, make sure y'all subscribe, all that. Make sure y'all go back and look at the previous videos, because I'm pushing out straight pressure from here on out, bro. Straight pressure from here on out. And I'm about to go get some food, bro, because your boy's about to starve. I'm telling you. But I'll catch y'all definitely in the next video. All right.